Hi, my name is Barry. I work for a company called DW Sports Fitness, and we've recently had Jordan fit our functional zone here at Trafford. Allan's actually come down all the way from Bristol to teach us in one day everything about your kettlebells, your power bags. We've been doing some strongman stuff, and also your suspension trainers. It's been thoroughly enjoyable. We've had 12 people on it. Everyone's enjoyed it. So I want to thank Allan, Jordan Fitness for everything they've done. Thank you very much.